Hi friends, welcome back. So today I will introduce you to charcoal stick. So a lot of my friends used to ask whenever they are going to buy some art materials either for themselves or for their kids. So I want to introduce one more art material. It's called charcoal sticks. It's available in different formats: soft, hard, medium. So today we'll see how to use charcoal sticks, and also we'll do some examples and find out what are its uses and how well you can use it, and what is the main difference with charcoal sticks and pencils. So one thing I want to let you know is this charcoal is available in pencil format also. You can try that also. And there is one more thing called willow sticks. So that is a little different. So this is called compressed charcoal sticks. What are its advantages? What is the difference between charcoal sticks and pencils, especially with graphite pencils? So before that, those who are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Oh friends, this is called charcoal sticks. So you can see we have soft, hard, medium options. So first we'll see the grading. So I will start with the soft one. Let's start with different grades, how we can use. I have drawn one line. So we'll see, I will just mark with the different columns to show what all grades you can use this pencil. So this I will leave as white, the paper white as it is, and we'll go with the darkest one from the left side. So this I will mark as the darkest. So let me try how much dark I can. Wow, very nice. So you can see the real use of charcoal. It is very dark. So this is the darkest you can get. You can use the sticks to create a powder also. Next I will go to next medium, a little bit darker one. So you need to get used to it, guys, especially the width, and keep on going lighter. So to get lighter, press it very low. You can get lighter tones. So guys, you can see the difference, right? So this is the darkest you can get. Then medium, very light, and very light. So with one single stick, you can get this much grades of color. So this is a very good grade. You can see from left to right, you get such a very good shade. And also you can see how easily we filled out each column. So that is the biggest use in terms of charcoal sticks. 8B pencil here. So this is not a charcoal pencil. So charcoal is available in pencil format also. But here we'll try the graphite pencil, which is our usual tool. Everybody uses this pencil. So we'll draw the same thing we'll do with pencil. So this is the white and this is the dark. 8B is a very dark pencil. Maybe there are 10B also. But let's try it and check how dark you can get. Hope you can see the difference. So this has a very big depth, guys, and it is little powdery, and so blending will be more easy with charcoal. So it comes to hand so quick like a powder. And this is the darkest you can get. I pressed it so hard. So this is the darkest you can get in terms of pencil. And let's come to the medium. So same method. You have to use a little less pressure to get the medium pencils done. So you can see pencil takes some more time to do the shade. So charcoal sticks are so easy to do. So since we are all practiced with pencil, it is easy for us. But we need to learn the difference between charcoal sticks and pencil, then it will be more easy. So each filling takes some time with pencil. So you can hope you can see the difference. So you can clearly see the depth is really more with the darkest depth available. Also with the second dark and third dark. So let's see how well we can blend with the charcoal stick. So just create one single line so easily easily here. So just with 1 or 2 strokes, I'm able to fill out this much area. So you can see some kind of powdery texture also coming here. If you want to do the same thing with pencil, I'm using the side of pencil to get some other bit. But to get to this much area, I need to take some time to fill out this much area. Maybe I can go lengthwise. So one advantage of pencil is you have more control and it is blending really well. So to blend this one, you can use your fingers to blend. So you can see how easily you can blend here. If you are not careful, it will spread out fast. So but pencil, that blending is not so easy. So blending, let's try some more things, how to blend it. So I will draw a wavy shape here with the charcoal stick. Maybe I will use my hand to blend. You can see the darker edges are remaining the same, and you can create some smudges around. Another option to blend, as you know, we have already discussed, we can use some tissue paper to blend it. So that is also one good option. So one more main thing to mention here is paper you are using is very important. So this is not this is just a drawing book actually. It's not so good compared to the drawing sheets available. You can get different grade of textured paper and all those things. So that will give a really good effects, especially for the graphic. So same thing if you draw with pencil. So blending becomes a little tougher case. So the pencil gives a very thick impression on the paper. So it is very difficult to get the blending with fingers. So you can see here it blends so fast. So the charcoal, even with the paper, it is blending easy. So we'll try with pencil. So if you press it hard, it is very difficult to blend. So that way charcoal is very easy for blending. Now we will see how to use the charcoal sticks. You can see this block is a rectangular block. So you can use it to create very thick dark lines so quickly. You can see this line is created so dark and so quick with one edge. So I can create a still smaller edge with some smaller edges. With corners you can create thicker lines, and with the smaller rectangular edge you can create very wide lines. So that is one big advantage. With the very longer edge you can create still darker edges. So you have covered this much big area with one stick. So that's a big advantage. So whenever if you want to finish up big drawings and you have to cover more areas for shading, you can use it. So there is no rule you have to use charcoal alone. So you can use it along with pencil to cover up more area. So those utilize all the advantages. So you can see with one stick what all different options of lines you can create, and how well you can create cover a very large area with single stroke. So that is the biggest advantage of charcoal sticks. And also you can see it creates a little bit textured powdery surfaces whenever you use the charcoal. So if you want to create similar things with pencil, you have to spend a lot of time, guys. A lot of time, a lot of patience to cover this much area. As you can see here, I'm trying to cover the same area. It takes a lot of time, and also we have to be very careful with pencil. So once a mark is done, it creates a marking or line there. So we need to blend it and all those stuffs to create similar thing. So still I am not able to cover fully. You can see it will take me some time to cover this full rectangular area. So this one I covered with a single stroke. So you can imagine how much time it will take for me to cover with this pencil to create the same effect. Next step to use is we need to use it in different layers. So how to use layers? For example, so this is one layer I created with a single stroke of this stick. So next layer we can go more darker and darker. So I am giving the darkest areas. So I am giving more pressure. So creating the dark areas here. So you can see with one single stroke I covered the whole area. Now I am giving more details. Second layer I am giving some details. You can see here. And I made mid-tones and dark tones here. Now, so this you can consider second layer. The third layer I am giving some more lines, some more textures, some more shapes. So that gives you versatility with this stick. It is easy to create a lot of layers, guys. So third layer I am giving, you can see some details here. I am creating with the same background, so different textures. So in this itself I can create so this is kind of a third layer. So now I am going for the fourth layer, guys. So you can see how well layering options are working well with the sticks. So you can keep on going with fourth layer, fifth layer, but you need to plan clearly what you want to draw and how well you want to draw the layers. So you can layer out very easily with charcoal sticks. So you can see how I am using different layers to create different shading effects. So these are the biggest uses of charcoal sticks. Then you can do different texturing things with this too. So for example, so now with some fifth layer or something, I'm using the stick. So I'm using the edges to create some texture effects and all those stuff. So these are some of the specialities with the sticks. So you can use this. I'm just creating one texture. Maybe I can create some other texture through here. So this kind of effects are so easy with sticks. So these are some of the major things you can do with sticks. So now we'll see some examples how to do sticks. So one example I'll show you. So just you guys remember we did this painting long back. So this was done so quickly. So without any blending option, just with the sticks, we quickly did it. Maybe with 5-10 minutes, but I put the video as a short video with 1 minute video. So you can see how easily we have created this drawing with sticks. So I've not even used any initial layer of pencils to do this drawing. So just use the stick directly. You can see a lot of thin lines are here, dark areas. You can see very minute shading, all those steps. So eyes also, it gives some layers. You can see a lot of textured layers here. So it gives some cloth kind of texture. So those things are possible only with the sticks. So watch this video. I will give the link of this video in the end of this video. You can find out the link. Click that link and watch how we did this drawing. This is one good example. Now we'll go and do a small example.